Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. It's me Rochelle and today is the weekend. Today is Saturday, and it's my off, so I'm just going out to get some groceries and do my reset like always. So my room is quite messy, but I'm not doing it today. I'll do it some other day. So I'm just gonna go look for something new, and I have to get back and do some cooking as well. So let's go somewhere out. So I'm taking you along with me and I'm gonna show you a few things. Let's see where my mood takes me. So let's go. So just wore this basic and some jeans. So let's go. I'm just gonna carry my everyday purse that is from H&M. Actually, it's so good. I can't even tell you how much I used it. I totally love this one. It looks very luxury, right? I got this 2 years ago in Dubai, and it was like way expensive. So let's carry this and let's go. And just got ready, and I love capturing videos right here in this mirror. Honestly, it gets bored of me by then. And the weather looks so good, I can't even tell you. I just put on a nice jumper with this particular weather. It gets really annoying to like drag your cart all over to high street, wherein you have to like go to particular stores. It gets really annoying. And got into a bus and made it to Aldi. I just have to like get some fruits, get some particular grocery I need. So just picked in, and let's just do the bidding and everything. So just like picked up few things that we need, just some bread and sort of. Then came into Home Bargains. Anytime I go to Aldi, I always make it to Home Bargains as well, and particular the decor section is one of my favorite. This one is my go-to. I actually like wanted something, but I did not have space, so I thought like I'll get that next time. And this gold mirror is something that I would love to keep. It's, I think it's affordable. It's for like 16 pounds. And I did not buy anything at Home Bargains. I just like came in to see. So now let's go to TK Maxx. And honestly, TK Maxx has been one of my favorite stores lately. I'm been visiting every week. Anytime I come to get groceries, I come into TK Maxx, and I wanted this kind of, I mean, it's a fruit bowl or something. So I got one of this earlier. It's with a nice printed with hearts or something. So I was looking for another one actually, and it did have the same color. Also, this jar looks so cute and aesthetic. It's for £5. It's really nice. You can like add in some sugar or anything. Also, this one looks really good. It's for like £5, but it was a bit crooked, so I did not get that. It was just one piece. And also, this section makes me really nice. Like, this smell, this aroma here is getting me crazy. So I'm just like looking onto some candles, and some of them were on discount as well. I don't know for what. Maybe people don't even buy those. So just looking into this and enjoying the vibe alone. So I'm just like craving for a nice drink. So I came into this place called George and the Juice. I heard about Joe and the Juice, but George and the Juice is something different. And I just came to this. It's at Hounslow High Street. So it's this Hounslow Market. It's right there. It's nice actually. So I got in one juice with blueberries, apple, and pineapple. Probably I forgot. And I got this one. It's really nice. I had it. It was so good. I can't even tell you. So I did my shopping at Asda as well. And now we are going to have some food, as I did not cook anything. So I just got in some KFC. This is going to be our lunch for the day. And also made it to Primark. It was just right there. So I was like, why not just go? And I came to my favorite stop again. It was the home decor section. I just love this. So just got a few things and came back home. And I'm just going to like place all these things into their particular allotted places. So I'm just gonna like put all this, and I quickly came down to cook something, as I don't want to go in bed because it just makes me lazy. So I thought like I'll cook and then go in bed after almost an hour. It will just take me a few times. So I'm just gonna make some rice. I'm just making some pulao, that's it. and just for the night. So I'm just gonna quickly do this and get some rest done. Also, I love to organize really well. Like, that makes me so happy. I can't even tell you. Like, organization, cleaning, it really makes me happy and clean. And I love to like keep everything together and very aesthetically. So that is what I love about. Also, years back, I used to like not do anything. My mom used to like not allow me to do any work. I rather used to like just be in bed, watch TV, or do something I would like. Rather, I would do nothing. Probably now, as you grow older, you have to like manage all the duties and do everything by yourself, and that is something I would give an advice to like learn and be on your track so that life is easy for you. Also, like getting all my clothes inside as it's already dried, and this is what makes me happy, and this is what life is about. So yeah. And my food is ready. I told you, right? I'm a good cook, and I just made this pulao. I think so the color did not come as good, but it's okay. So I thought like I'll just make a cup of tea because I don't want to go on top and come again down. So I'm just going to make a cup of tea and enjoy it. So that is what I love to do, and it gets really, I mean, the days are quite longer now, so I need rest. So I'm just gonna quickly do this and go in my room. And just folding all my dried clothes. This weather is really nice as my clothes get dried really quickly in a day. In like winters, it takes almost like 4 to 5 days to like dry your clothes, and I don't like it drying in a laundry because I don't know, I just don't feel right about it. Also, and adding on to new pajamas and getting fresh. So just gonna go down and have some lunch. I mean dinner, sorry. So this is what I had. I'm just gonna have some pulao and some KFC chicken. That's it. So see you in my video tomorrow. Bye.
The next day.
Hey guys, good morning. It's the next day and it's currently 8 o'clock now, and I woke up around 7:45. I usually like wake up early and get my things done. So I just woke up. It's kinda cool. The weather is slightly cold, so just gonna make some tea like every day. My routine is every day. It's kind of boring to even like film it, honestly, but what to do, this is all about life. And I'm just gonna make some tea and just enjoy the morning. So I don't have any plans for the day today, but I'm just gonna be home or probably just film a video. I have some filming to do as well. I usually just do that, and also my mug depends on what mood I am. So today is for cake. So today depends on a cake, and my breakfast for the day is just a bagel with some eggs. Lately, I've been loving bagels a lot. I get this from
Two
Iceland. And
hours later.
health. Literally, I'm like so sick. All of a sudden, I got such bad cold. I can't even tell you guys. I was just filming a video. I'm done with that. And now I'm just gonna like rest. Literally, I'm not feeling well at all. My head is going round and round, and also my sinus. So I'm just gonna take a rest and see you in a while. So just going down to warm up my food, and I'm just gonna have it and go to sleep because my eyes are like literally itching. So and I'll just have my warm food, and I don't know, I just can't breathe really. I'm just having a bad runny nose, so I'm just gonna have my warm food that I cooked the other day. Yesterday I just made pulao, so I'm just gonna have that while I watch TV. So, and then I'm just gonna like take a nap because I'm not feeling well. I feel like this is the effect of this weather change, and so that's why. Maybe also I don't know what I had yesterday. Maybe that juice affected me, so because I usually don't take in juices or so, I soon fall sick. That's why. So I'll just have my meal and go to sleep.
2 hours later.
Hey guys, welcome. And I just woke up and I made some tea, so I'm just feeling a bit better. A bit, little, not much. I still have cold, I have heavy breathing, so just made some tea and let's enjoy. So this is how it is. So let's enjoy my tea with some, let's see what's there to eat. And I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye. Love you guys.